Guys, what's up? It's Locke here. Just came home today, so I went out and bought some ammo, some shotgun ammo and some 22s because I want to go shooting tomorrow and I want to do some testing, especially on the shotgun ammo. But what you see here is 100 rounds of 22s. Made in Czech Republic, I think. I don't own a 22 rimfire rifle, but a friend of mine does, and I'm gonna borrow it tomorrow just because it's fun to shoot. But ammunition for it is very expensive here. It's 10 euros for 50 rounds. 10 euros is like $13 for 50 rounds. That is crazy. Especially for you guys who live in America. I mean, you can buy 100 Remington rounds for what, $7? $26 for what, 2,000 or something? I don't know. I've seen crazy prices on 22 ammunition over there. So, oh well, gotta live with it. But I just like to shoot a lot, so every once in a while I'll take 100 rounds and shoot them. But the most important thing what I want to do is test some new ammunition that I found for my shotgun for hunting. This is Cheddite. It's probably the best Italian shotgun ammo that you can find. This is a very special one. It's called the 100 metri. Yeah, I speak Italian. Or 100 meters. Thing with this one is it's supposed to shoot up to 120 meters, but it doesn't spread. It really spreads. Actually, it doesn't spread at all. I think up to 100 meters. So it's basically like shooting a slug. But when it reaches 100 meters, then it starts spreading. And this is for long distance shots, so 100 meters and up. 100 meters are 109 yards, 110 yards maybe. So for you American friends, this one is Nobel Sport. This is an expensive cartridge, €1.30 for one of those. Really expensive. I only got two just to test it out. I tested out some copy of this. It was 50 cents, but it didn't work that well. So this is Nobel Sport, also Italian. I've had good results with Nobel Sport, so I like them, but they a little bit expensive for my taste. This is Nobel Speed, number 4, 34 grams, 36 cents a piece. This is Nobel Sport Classica, and this is a 0. I don't know if this is 4 millimeters or 4.5 millimeters. 32 grams. Test this one out as well. I got 4 of each of these. This is Nobel Sport Extra, 50 cents for this thing. 35 grams. I got like 10 of these. These work great. I've hunted with these before. They work well. Well, this is another Italian company. This is Clever Mirage. I've had good and bad experiences with Clever Mirage, but this is a slug. I just found it in my drawer I'll shoot it tomorrow just to see how it is. This is another Italian company, MB, or what is this? Baschieri and Pellagri. Expensive stuff, 50 cents for one. This is the long range, 36 grams. Oh, by the way, all these are $12.70. Got 4 of those. Got some buckshot. This has 9, I think. Yeah, 9 pellets. Pretty expensive, 70 cents for one of these. 70 euro cents. Then I got two with 12 pellets, just to test them out, shoot for fun. Then I got these Nobel Sport Italia Tordo. A tordo is a bird species, small bird. Got these, test them out because I might go woodcock hunting. So 34 grams, I think. No, it's 32 grams. Let me see, 32 grams, 36 cents a piece. And like the cheapest ammunition that I got a box, 25 rounds. This is by Ben Army, I got it, but Fiocchi makes them for them. See here, you can see Fiocchi. Most of you guys are familiar with Fiocchi. Cheap ammunition. They work well. I've shot these a lot. Not these particular ones, but I've shot Fiocchi ammo a lot, and they work well. But they suck in cold weather conditions. They pretty much suck in cold weather conditions. So I wanted to try these out because they were the cheapest I could find, around 28 cents a piece. 36 grams, so pretty heavy. And got a box of them. Gonna shoot all of them tomorrow. Might record it. I'm not sure yet because I don't know if I'm going along or not. If I'm alone, then I'll record everything. If not, then I won't, because I know my friends don't want to be on camera. So I got another 50 rounds over there for testing. Some clever Mirage dispersante in Italian. That's for woodcock hunting. That the ones that spread a lot, and some other ammo. So it will be a nice day, some fun shooting, and hopefully I can record it and share it with you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.